How to create YouTube channel within a minute. Okay, go to YouTube, sign in with Gmail account. Here is my Gmail. Now click the icon and go to settings, account, create a channel. If the channel name is okay, then create channel. Wait a minute. This is the first overview for a channel. You can upload any video instantly, but you need to customize something like channel description. Suppose I want to add this description on my channel. Add a channel art. It is the channel art dimension. And other very important part is to verify your channel. Go to settings. Is USD currency. This is the channel keyword. What type of channel you have, like if you have a graphics designer channel, then graphics design, Photoshop, like that. Your country. Suppose United States. Branding. You can choose your web logo or subscribe button. Now your channel is ready to upload a video. For upload a video, just create a video, post, upload a video. That's it. Thank you for watching, guys.